What's going on, guys? Jordan here with Roosterfish Media, and today we're going to be talking about how to make your videos more impactful. So one of the first things that you can do to make your videos more impactful is to preach your passion. The more passion you bring to the topic that you're discussing, the more of an impact that you're going to have on your audience from that, because you believe in what you're saying. Because if you think about it, if you believe in the product that you're trying to sell, or you believe in what you're saying to your audience, that's going to rub off on them, and they're going to begin to build that trust with you. And that alone will make them more likely to purchase your product or service. Number two is that you want to speak with confidence. The impact of your video comes from the message, and if you're speaking shy or unsure or uncertain about what you're saying, then it's going to come across that you don't know what you're talking about. But if you know exactly what you're saying, you speak with confidence, you know exactly what you're talking about, that's going to build that trust with your audience, which is very, very important. And last but not least, it's very important to write a script before your video shoot. It's so much easier to say what you want to say when you have written it out beforehand. By writing out a script, you're setting yourself up for success, and your message is going to come across much more genuine because you've thought about it in advance. You're not just sitting in front of the camera and trying to figure out what you want to say. Not only is it going to save you time from sitting in front of the camera, but it's also going to make your message look a lot more deliberate because you thought about it in advance. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're looking for more tips and tricks on how to make your videos more impactful, be sure to visit the Roosterfish Media page, and we will catch you in the next video.